Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY hot chocolate Christmas tree ornament. You can also use this for the 18-inch dolls. First, I'm going to use a 2-liter bottle and I'm just going to cut the top off. And I'm trying to cut off all the little details that's on this 2-liter bottle to make it a perfect size for the dolls. And then I'm going to cut off another strap. And I also cut off the little ring part that goes to the lid because I can use that for another future video, such as like doll headbands or something, so stick around for that tutorial like sometime this week maybe. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take some chocolate melted brown color and I'm just going to use a sponge to sponge it on the inside. This is going to give it that chocolatey color, and now I'm going to take a pine cone and I'm going to paint it white. And then I just hot glue it into the little container that I made, which is going to be the base of the cup. And I'm using hot glue to go all the way around it, and I even used my glitter hot glue because I really don't like the glitter hot glue, so I felt like it was perfect for this. It is pretty heavy, I will admit that, but that is basically all that I have done. And I'm also going to go ahead and tie a string, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the pine cone, which is the whipped cream for the hot chocolate, because I didn't feel like making little marshmallows, so I figured whipped cream would be good enough. And I have enough pine cones to make so many crafts, so I thought this would be like perfect for that. So you can see right here is where I am filling it up with the hot glue, because that's going to make it look more chocolatey when you look inside it. And it's also going to keep the pine cone whipped cream in there nice and sturdy. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some decorative details. I forgot to paint the lid white, so that is what I'm doing. I'm using a sponge just because all my brushes are like filthy and I need to wash them. So this pearl gems I actually got from Hobby Lobby in the cake section. They're flat and all you have to do is just glue them on. And I am taking some khaki to give it another creamy color for the hot chocolate.